Hello boys and girls, it's Miss Christina from Green Elf. Today I wanted to read Dog's Colorful Day, a messy story about colors and counting. Emma's dog. Dog's Colorful Day. Dog's Colorful Day. Written by Emma Dodd. This is Dog. As you can see, Dog is white with one black spot on his left ear. At breakfast time, Dog sits under the table as usual. Splat! A drip of red jam lands on his back. Now Dog has 2 spots. After breakfast, Dog runs outside. He slips past the man painting the front door. Swish! His tail dips into the blue paint. Now Dog has 3 spots. 1, 2, 3. Dog runs to the park and rolls onto the grass. Squash! The grass makes a green stain on his white coat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now Dog has 4 spots. Dog follows the little boy eating chocolate. Squish! The boy gives Dog a chocolatey pat, but no chocolate. My dog don't like chocolate either. Now Dog has 5 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A bee buzzes up to see what's going on. Swish! The bee drops yellow pollen as it flies by. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now Dog has 6 spots. Dog trots through the park. Squash! A drop of pink ice cream lands right on his ear. Now Dog has 7 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Time to go home. Dog runs up the street. Squash! A bouncy ball splatters Dog with gray mud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now Dog has 8 spots. In front of the gate, Dog steps on a carton of orange juice. Splurt! I wonder what color spot that was. You're right, boys and girls. A patch of orange appears on his legs. Now Dog has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 spots. Dog races back inside the house and knocks right into Vicky. Silly dog! Vicky's purple marker leaves a smudge on Dog's head. How many spots does Dog have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 spots. Vicky looks at Dog and she counts his spots. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Vicky looks more closely. Dog has 1 red spot of jam, 1 blue blob of paint, a pink drop of ice cream, a gray splatter of mud, an orange spot of juice, a purple smudge of ink, a yellow patch of pollen, a green stain of grass, a brown smear of chocolate, and of course, 1 black spot on his left ear. When Dog climbs into bed, he just has 1 spot on his left ear. I wonder what happened to all the spots. Good night, Dog. What a colorful day you have. That is the end of our story, Dog's Colorful Day, a messy story about colors and counting by Emma Dodd. Thank you, boys and girls.